Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have another unboxing for you from Ditzy's Diamond Den, the Talking Flowers, created artist by Natasha Wescoat. Absolutely gorgeous artwork. Can't wait to jump in. 9 specials, people. 9. Is that not amazing? 75 colors. You are going to want to dive in and flip out. And the rendering is absolutely phenomenal. If you like big eye girls and you like peaches and creams and pinks and blues, this garden girl is for you. So let's flip this camera around and let's check out this brand new, hot off the presses, beautiful diamond painting. Square, might I add, with 9 specials. Thank you so much. Can't wait to dive in with you. Okay, here we are. We've opened the box. Inside, this was in plastic. Didn't want you to have to worry about crinkle crinkle. And as you can see, it's a beautiful soft lint canvas. It has the serging edges on it to make sure that if your canvas is being naughty, it'll stop right on the edge. Also, your box is going to have a picture so that you can know when you're storing it what is inside your Ditzy's Diamond Den box. Okay, let's unroll this. This is the Talking Flowers. The artist, as I mentioned, is Natasha Wescoat, and it's up and coming. Okay, so we have this beautiful Ditzy's Diamond Den across the top and the beautiful logo. And over here, you're going to have your key in the upper right, and we're going to see it's going to be down, or upper left, apologize. And over here, we're going to see it's in the bottom right. So let's see this beautiful, the Talking Flowers. I always love looking at the rendering. Look at those eyes. It is poured glue. It's going to have a medium thickness of your plastic. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you see, I am unrolling it. There's some special stuff right here we're going to look at in just a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then we've got the drills we're going to put aside. We've got our stickers we're going to put aside, and then we're just going to keep unrolling. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's look up close and personal at the drill field. Okay, so you can see here the drill field is nice and clear. You're going to see those symbols. Now, what I love about Ditzy's Diamond Den is they picked out their own symbols. So you're going to have some cute ones. They have mountains. They have a little person right here. They have some fun lips. They have a peace symbol, this little coffee symbol right here. 2 little rings. So they're really cute. And what I love too is with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is actually the number over here on the left. None of this categories that you would have going on. All right, and then Ditzy, she has her own accessories. So make sure you go, and when you pick up one of these in her shop, you also pick up one of her beautiful, gorgeous, this one has drills in it because I'm in the middle of a project, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you pick up your trays. Also make sure you pick up your putty holders. Check them out. If you're buying a diamond painting, might as well throw some more things in your cart. But in case you're not and you're just doing your diamond painting, it does come with a standard kit, which you can easily explore and have fun with. In the kit, you're going to get your single placer pen. You're going to get 2 multi-placers. One is a 4, one is a 7 that can go on the other end of your pen. You're going to get your sharp tweezers. You're going to get your squishy. Now your squishy can go here, or some people actually put their squishy on their tweezers as well. And you've got your wax. This is the blue wax. back in the day, we were all fighting over the blue wax, and you have your standard white tray. So I'm going to put that over to the side as we explore some more. You also get a printout. On the printout, it's going to show you this has 75 colors in it. It's also going to show you that it's a 55 by 73. That means 55 centimeters wide by 73 down. The total drill count is 66,008, and there's 75 colors. It also gives you an opportunity to write the date that was started and the date that it was finished. Over here, it's going to show you that you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 fun colors. One is a crystal, one is an AB, or I'm sorry, 2 are crystals. One is an AB, one is a glitter, and 5 are the dust. Now, where might these be? We're going to check them out in just a minute, but do not fear. You also get a sticker sheet that looks exactly like the print off. So you can pull these stickers off like so, and you can put them on your sheet. Now, on the right side are how many drills are for each color. A lot of times this doesn't fit, so usually I cut right down this line here, and that way I have a smaller width to put on my baggies or to put on my plastic. Oh, that's because they were slicing to make sure that you could get your stickers. Okay, what I also love too is the sticker is actually on here. So not only does it have the SKU for these, it also has the sticker so you can visually see this to this in case your drills are separated from your canvas. Now let's look at these beautiful drills. And what I love is that they are in baggies. Lately, I have not been putting things in my plastic containers. I've actually been using one of Ditzy's drawers to put everything in. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Okay, let me show you. So this is an example of the drawer, and then I just put in the baggies, and then on the front of the baggie I actually just put the sticker so that I'm all raring to go. Of course, you're going to need more than one drawer for these beautiful 75 colors. That's why she has a 3-drawer kit set you can get. All right, let's look at these colors. Oh, let's get you a little bit closer in. How about that? So you can actually see what is going on. We're going to try this zoom. Ooh, zoom it, zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. Okay, here we go. These beautiful colors. They're in numeral order. Oh, I love 160. Also, I just finished one of her kits 2 weeks ago. I did not change anything out. I used just what came, and it was absolutely stunning. There wasn't really anything I would have added more to it. So their bling crew is doing an amazing job of making sure that you have exactly what you need. Oh, look at all of these beautiful colors. Okay, take these out and look at them some more. Absolutely stunning. They are so vibrant without being obtrusive, right? Because some companies, their dye lots are too vibrant and they're not the natural color that they're supposed to be. And I don't mind a super colorful painting, but just have it be real. The real colors. These gorgeous colors. If you're into peaches and salmon and these beautiful oranges and these pinks, just absolutely stunning. Natasha did a wonderful job with her artwork. And these colors are just riveting. And also, they're not just giving you a little bit of bling. I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. So here's some more beautiful colors. Some more beautiful colors. They're just popping out. They're like, we want to see our public. Okay, here we go. Now, we're going to see. Let's go back out so you guys can see where these things go. All right, so the first one is Crystal 666, and this is going to go with the red flowers and the butterflies. All right, so 67 is the footprint, and it's the red butterflies and the flowers. So this black, like right in here, it's going to be, let's see, throughout over here. And then, of course, the butterflies. I think it's this one up here in her hair. And then here. So absolutely beautiful. Just a touchy. All right. Then we've got AB 666 and AB 796. I'm so excited. So excited. This is going to give you that shimmer sequence look versus the glitter feel. And where does this go? This is all in the dress. So this is a graduation cap. And it is stunning. It is number 68. And all through down here, all over here. You see right through here and right through here. It's going to be all around here. It's going to be all over here, and the flowers, absolutely beautiful. All right, then we have the second crystal, which is 3350, and that is going to be the infinity symbol, and that is also in the red flowers, which it looks like is right in here, right in here. Now the crystal right through here. The crystal is what's going to give you that little bit of sparkle pop. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, then, oh my goodness, this is my first glitter in a Ditzy. Whoop. So fun. So fun. And that's just a red square. So that is all down here. You can see there's not really a symbol there. That is all in the heart. So that glitter is just really gonna pop and let you know where to focus. All right, and then let's see, I accidentally mixed these all up. We've got the dust. Dun 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 dun. 606 dust. That is the paw print. That is also going to be in the red flowers. Down here, throughout here. It looks like there's some up in here and then some in the red flowers. So you're going to get some crystal and you're going to get some fairy dust. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, then we've got this one. I'm not really going in order. This is 3826. This is the fairy dust. Absolutely beautiful. This is going to be in her hair. So this is going to give you a little bit of glimmer throughout her hair. So right up in here. And then it looks like some over here, just to kind of give you that little, and here, little sparkle and shine. What I like about it is it's going to separate her skin from her hair. And so like when the sun's hitting the hair and different things like that, you're going to get that glimmer. This is 152 dust. So beautiful. And this is the percent symbol, and this is also in the hair, which is what, yeah, right next to, that's going to be gorgeous. So you're going to have these two right here, and then you're going to have the percent. I just saw it through here. Yep, right here. So that's going to be gorgeous all the way up to help with the shadowing, the percent signs right in here as well. And so this is more of the shadow areas. Stunning, just stunning. And then we've got some green. So 733 dust right here. And this green is going to be in the leaves. And it is the movie camera. Movie camera. Movie camera. Here we go. I'm pretty sure I saw that up here. Yep, it's going to be inside right here. And I love it because the dust is going to have that little bit of shimmer in the middle of the leaves. And then you're going to be able to shadow it out. Absolutely gorgeous. Well done, bling crew. And then we've got this. Now look at this. This is 3 bags. 3 bags of 939. And that is all of this. Everywhere you see her hand holder right here. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. And they give you 3. It's going to be all through here. And this flower, it's going to be all through here to show you shimmer, shimmer. Absolutely stunning. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 specials. And look at the variety of color the specials are in. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so, so excited. This is the close-up image. Camera of the talking flowers. They are just speaking to her. And so if you compare this to what they gave you and look at the rendering of this image, I think it's pretty spot on, right? Pretty spot on. So I can't wait for you guys to try this, to go out and purchase it, have fun with it, enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Let me know which Ditzy Diamonds Den you are waiting for. And I'm going to go kit up. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.